Sheikh Mujib Rahman life story. Sheikh Mujib Rahman was the founding father of Bangladesh and one of the most important leaders in South Asian history. He is lovingly called Banga Bandhu, which means friend of Bengal. He was born on March 17, 1920 in Tangifara, a small village in Gopalganj district, which was then part of British India. From a young age, Sheikh Mujib Rahman showed strong leadership qualities. He was deeply affected by poverty, injustice, and suffering of common people. During his school and college days, he became involved in student politics. He studied at Islamia College, Kolkata, where he joined political movement demanding rights for Muslims and the people of Bengal. After the partition of India in 1947, Pakistan was created and Bengal became East Pakistan. However, the people of East Pakistan were treated unfairly by the government in West Pakistan. Sheikh Mujib Rahman strongly raised his voice against this injustice. He joined Awami League, a political party that fought for the democracy and equal rights. One of his most important rules was in the language movement of 1952. The government of Pakistan declared Urdu as the only national language, even though most people spoke Bengali. Sheikh Mujib Rahman supported the movement demanding Bengali as a state language. Many students lost their lives in this struggle, and it became a turning point in East Pakistan political history. Over the year, Sheikh Mujib Rahman became the most popular leader in East Pakistan. In 1966, he presented the famous 6-point program, which demanded greater autonomy for East Pakistan. This made him very popular among the people, but also a threat to the ruling authorities. As a result, he was arrested many times and spent years in prison. In 1969, after a mass uprising, he was released from jail and given the title Banga Bandhu by the people. In the 1970 general election, the Awami League won a clear majority under his leadership. However, the Pakistani government refused to hand over power, leading to political tension. On March 7, 1971, Sheikh Mujib Rahman delivered a historic speech in Dhaka. In this speech, he called the people to prepare for freedom, saying, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle is for our independence." This speech inspired millions. On March 26, 1971, Bangladesh declared independence. Sheikh Mujib Rahman was arrested by the Pakistani army and taken to West Pakistan. Meanwhile, the liberation war continued for 9 months. With great sacrifice, Bangladesh achieved victory on December 16, 1971. After independence, Sheikh Mujib Rahman returned to Bangladesh and became the first Prime Minister and later the President of the country. He faced many challenges, including rebuilding a war-torn nation, poverty and famine. Despite difficulties, he worked hard to establish a new country based on equality and justice. Tragically, on August 15, 1975, Sheikh Mujib Rahman was assassinated along with most of his family members in a military coup. His death shocked the nation and the world. Today, Sheikh Mujib Rahman is remembered as the father of the nation of Bangladesh. His courage, leadership and lifelong struggle for freedom continue to inspire millions of people. His dream was a peaceful, democratic and prosperous Bangladesh, and his legacy lives on the heart of the nation.